Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about the instaroid, how to use it and all about it. Today we are checking out an older but interesting Android app called Instaroid Instagram Viewer. If you ever wanted a new way to browse Instagram, features like downloading photos, viewing nearby posts, and just simply getting to know more about other users, then this might just be worth a look. So I'll tell you, Instaroid was an alternative Instagram viewer for Android. It's not an official Instagram app, but it connects through your Instagram account and gives you a different browsing experience. Originally, it was released in 2014, but now it has been gone. But if we talk about its feature, there you can swipe through your feed, likes, tags, popular, and nearby posts. You can download Instagram images and videos, share content externally, and you can get to know about the influencers' account, like who they chat with, and their personal details from their account. But now the platform has officially gone. They still have their website it, but there's nothing related to what they used to offer. As you can see, I am on the browser. I have searched for Instaroid because there's no app available for it. It used to be there's an app on the Android, but there is no app. If I go to its website, instaroid.org, you can see I get three options: AI profile generator, studio and photography, and AI profile viewer. If I click on to any one of these options, it gives me to another page where there are links related to what is written there. Like in the AI profile generator, I will have some websites that do this work, and same with the other options. As you can see, there's literally nothing on this platform. This platform has been shut down. There's still a website, and there is no thing which is related to what they used to offer, like you can get to know about your influencers account or maybe other options related to Instagram. So now this one is literally a total scam. There are some website that offers its APK file that you can download, but those APK files do not have anything secure. Even if you go to its website, you can see there's nothing. A good website doesn't look like this, that gives you links to other website, and there's no surety these links will work or not. So this one is a total scam. You should not use it. Even if you search on to about it, like how you can download it through APK files or maybe through any other way, there are no good links or maybe files that you can download and you can trust. Because if you see, there are different files on different website. Even if you open it up, they even mention that we don't give any surety there will be virus or maybe anything there. So do not download such apps or such platforms. They do not work. Now it was a thing back then that used to work, but now the platform has officially shut. So it's better that you should not use this one, because this one is a total scam. Now, Instagram is very much secure and they do not allow any other app to fetch data out of their customers' account. So, if you're trying to get information from your influencer's account, or maybe you just want to know related info from any specific account, there's no way to do it. Even on the website, you can see there's literally nothing related to what they used to offer. There's links that do not work, those are not helpful. So my last thing to say is that this platform is a total scam. You should not use this one. It's an older app and might not work on anywhere, and it has limited updates, like they do not update it. On the other hand, Instagram updates their privacy policies, so there's no way to have it. And also security warning, whatever you download it from wherever platform, they're not security and your system may get hacked. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.